tons of room in this thing. You really took out everything.
Oh yeah.
I did. I can't believe it. When you said it was gutted, I
Yeah, I think the whole world freaked out for a little bit there.
I appreciate you guys coming. This is awesome.
This is really awesome.
Holy crap.
What's your quarter mile time?
Oh, it's only 1040s.
Exactly.
Yeah, it still passes emissions. I mean, it's got, you know, window tint and everything, but they don't really expect any of that or think about that. Like, they don't even take us at the drag strip because nobody thinks they're going to see this inside. You know?
Yeah.
But it's still 4,500 pounds, which is the wild part about it. If y'all want to look in here, you know, whatever.
I would love that.
Yeah. I put an extra seat in it today. I appreciate that.
I can't tell you how excited we are. All right, Chesley, you go first. Get in there.
Y'all can pop the trunk, pop the hood.
It's
you know.
so uncomfortable. Literally.
It will wear your ass cheek sore getting in and out of that. It's gangster though.
Oh my gosh. Wow, you're a kid.
Your video helped tide me over while I was waiting.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
No problem.
Wow, I love how
Busy in the meantime waiting for him.
it fits me perfect though. He named it race car. This is really cool. That's so cool.
Trying to drive through the pimp juice.
All right, so this is Charles from Tesla Racing Channel, and we're about to take off against the Model 3 and the Model S 75D.
Let's see what she's got. She's not going to spin. That's good. He's spinning.
All right.
So here's our goal. We're going to tree him.
Okay. Yes!
This thing hooked up very good.
How fast did you get it up to?
I saw about 87 or so when I let off.
I was wondering how long it
Not too
pressed.
bad. Yeah, we can get time.
All right, I might try. That wasn't too scary. I'm glad you did it first.
Yeah, it was fun.
All
I mean,
right.
you don't have to worry about spinning or anything.
Don't worry. I want you to ride with me though.
Okay. This heated steering was pretty good.
Yeah. I love the cold weather package, and these seats are
Oh,
so
yeah, you have to
damn
have it.
comfortable.
Oh,
Yeah, I didn't get the pleather or whatever it's called, the
Play.
vegan leather.
How about this? I'm gonna try and get you through that pimp juice without getting in the middle
Alright,
of
go
it.
put my
Yeah, just get
tire.
real close to her.
Do one when
Kind
you're
of just.
like-
I was just doing a test it to see if it hooked,
Okay.
but you don't need. Oh yeah.
You don't need
But
it.
you see those grooves? Trying to get between the grooves a little bit. You'll be good. And then your tires are gonna end up. You see those little holes in that box over there?
Mm-hmm.
So just keep inching up forward. Just have the brakes ready because it'll pop up real fast.
Okay.
I kind of 2-foot it right here almost. Yeah, you can keep going. You probably got a little bit more. See? Okay, go one
that
more.
it?
Yeah,
One
go
more?
one more. Hit it on that third yellow.
All right, now.
Go. Oh, nice. He's still spinning over there. You got a little bit more top end than him, but other than that, it's a real close race.
That is awesome.
Oh, you want to get on the brakes pretty hard.
Oh.
Yeah. The stop comes up pretty quick on you in Mooresville. That's a good race, actually. If he wouldn't spin, I mean, y'all would be very, very
probably
close.
would be close.
I'm tempted to give him the back tire in this car and see how close y'all would be at that point.
I was like,
Yeah.
I was like white knuckling it. It's like firing a gun for the first time.
Yeah,
you know
yeah.
that it's
You
like
don't know
that
what you're gonna
feeling, you
get
don't
out
know-
of it.
Yeah, exactly. And your car, oh my god, I cannot
Oh,
believe how fast it is.
it's mean.
What does your car get in 0 to 60?
I don't know. Ever since
You've
we
never-
gutted it, we took the cigarette lighter out of it. But I'm gonna guess it does 2.2. But we're gonna wire up a cigarette lighter soon, and I'll get some real results on it.
That would be awesome. All right, it's me and Charles from Tesla Racing Channel, racing in the Model 3.
Great job watching. You racer.
I actually messed up. I actually went on green that time.
not yet.